Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of SubWallet How To. In this video, I'm going to give you instructions on how to stake DOT with Bifrost using SubWallet Web Dashboard. First of all, from SubWallet homepage, go to Web Dashboard, and this will take you to web.subwallet.app. On this home screen, click on Earning on the left side menu, and you will be presented with all of the options available on SubWallet Earning page. Okay, so we'll choose Bifrost Liquid Staking and click on Stake Now. Okay, and enter the amount. The minimum active stake is 0.5 DOT, so I'm going to use that. Okay, so I don't have any DOT on Bifrost, but I have 2 DOT on Polkadot. So I will need to first transfer DOT from Polkadot to Bifrost and then be able to mint VDOT. Okay, hit Submit. Check all of the information, making sure it's correct, and approve. Type in your master password. All good, transaction completed. And then now hit continue to mint VDOT. Hit approve. And done, you're eligible for free NFT from October 24th to November 7th. Okay, and here is the NFT. This is the Bifrost Power Staker NFT. And NFT holders can join Quest on Airlift to earn up to 10 USDT on Polkadot Asset Hub. Okay, if you click on Join Quest now, it will take you to this Airlift campaigns that you can join. These are all very simple tasks. And also you can come back and share this good news to Twitter to everyone who's interested. Okay, you staked out with Bifrost Finance on SubWallet Web Dashboard. Okay, hit post and you're good to go. Happy staking!